Yeah! Yes, sir! What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Got the trusty two-stroke here and the 250F. Me and Jesse are gonna fucking let them rip tomorrow morning. Hungry Horse MX. It snowed 2 days ago. The sand's gonna be prime. It's wet, it's spongy sand, it's crazy. So yeah, we're getting the bike styled. 125. We got a frozen linkage here. You sit on the seat. That swing arm ain't moving. You know, we gotta. Here we go. This stuff does the trick. Watch closely. Nice and lubricated, just how we like it. You know, this bike has not seen an HCMA series, so it's a local series. We've been going to COMX, but we're gonna show up tomorrow and people are gonna know what this bike's about at the end of the day. Here practicing starts night before the race. I just ripped a few on the 125. Now Jesse's going, just kick her. Go before the cops come. Oh, run it back. Like this. Wide open, feather the clutch out. Yeah, get that bitch singing. Yep. Pin that bitch. Pin it. Yeah! Yes, sir! Woo-hoo-hoo! He's ready for a beginner class. Well, Jesse was supposed to race the 125 and I wasn't. I decided to do open two-stroke and it blew up on me first moto before he even got to ride it. This was the only bike he practiced on. But he hopped on my 250 and did great. Here he is now. My results were what you'd expect from a guy with 2 newborn kids. Got pretty exhausted. Had some stees in practice, but you know, after Moto 1 and pushing my 125 up the sand hill after it locked up, took it out of me. But we had some overall results. Led some laps. Here's Jesse. Let's go, Jesse! Jesse! Oh! Just fucking getting it. Time to see what happened to the 125. Got some company in the shop. Guys, it is Thursday night at 9 o'clock. We're doing some prep for a race. I'm gonna go to the Dillon race. It's really my first CMMX race back. So it's kind of a tradition. I'm not racing much this year because I have 2 newborns. But yeah, the 125. We just got the 250 all freshened up. I haven't been riding. Only really had time to ride the Stark. Update to the channel, I got a Stark. It's amazing. Gonna race that too. But I just wouldn't feel like Dillon if I didn't have my 125. It blew up 2 weeks ago. I've already done the teardown. I've already put a bearing in, and yeah, I'll try to pop on the Meta glasses and get some footage and hopefully make a video of this weekend. So it would be pretty legendary if I got that thing together, but there's no way. But yeah, enjoy the video. So basically my crank rod wore out. It had too much up and down movement and even seized up. So I ordered a new one along with a new piston and we're putting it together, but unfortunately it wasn't that simple. I went through 3 clutch side crank seals. Somehow they were binding up the crank, and I've never seen that problem before. It was super weird and still didn't make sense, but the main focus at the time was bear hunting, so here's some clips of that. What's up, guys? I may have recorded some footage earlier, but yeah, this has been a rough rebuild so far. Got the 125 here. Got a new crank put in. Gone through 3 right side crank seals. I can torque the primary drive nut off the crank without the seal in, and the crank moves freely, but with the seal in, it doesn't. So I've destroyed 2 of them, taking them in and out, trying to solve that problem. Got a new one in the mail today. We threw it in. The crank still feels a little stiff, but I think it's within reason. So yeah, I'm not feeling too good about it. We also sheared off one of the clutch basket bolts, tightening it with my new torque wrench. First time I've ever done that. It felt a little tight. And yeah, we're just chugging along. This session I've basically put the whole thing together except the cases. Just got the new piston in. If the stars align, we'll be on the gate with it in 3 days. 3 or 4 days. So let's hope it works. But yeah, stay tuned. I didn't record anything because I've just been in survival mode. This has been brutal. Sucks to break one of the clutch basket things, but I need a new clutch basket anyways, so I'm gonna run it. I don't really care. I do care, but you know, we'll see. Here she is all cleaned up. Was able to take her to the race I was talking about and go 2-2 on the day, which is cool. Didn't get any clips of it because me and my brother were babysitting the twins, but I got a couple of him. Thanks for watching.